Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. In this video I'm going to show you some amazing indicator, so you will love it. So first of all we have need to add one indicator. So let's go to the Pine editor. Here are, you can see, there are my, these are my all script. You have need to add simple hoga TMA, okay, and then control A, control C, and then go to the Pine editor, click on Pine editor and click control A, control V, and then just click on add to chart. After clicking on add to chart, the indicator will be look like this one, and it's awesome. Here are lot of buy and sell signal, but there is our signal with the cross. With the cross mean do not go for the sell trade. Okay, I will do some changes here. Just go to setting and it should be 48. Okay, and then see the magic, it will give you awesome results. Okay, now you can see these are the buy signal and perfectly buy trade. Okay, this indicator is especially for the bank nifty and for BTC, for Nasdaq. I will show you the results in. First of all, I have need to show you tell you the conditions. Okay, I'm using 5-minute time frame. You can use it in 1-minute time frame, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, whatever. Like here I am I have need to show you signals. It comes on time, it will not come delay. Okay, after 3 to 4 candles, if you say that the candle will appear, no, it the signal will appear on the same candle and on time. Okay, it will never delay the signals. The second thing here, the if you got only buy signal, that's mean you can go for the buy trade and you can book your profit here. And one more important thing, this indicator is especially for the BTC, for bank nifty, for some stock, and but it will not work on all the pairs. Like for some crypto pairs it will not work. It will work on all pairs, but you will not see the signals, cross signals. Here you can see you will not get the cross signal here. Okay, you will not get cross signal. So how can you get the accurate results? I will add one more indicator and then will show you how you can get accurate results in all pairs. But for the BTC and bank nifty, only this indicator is enough for you, because it's never give you the false signal. Only it when it gives it give you the cross signal, cross buy signal. That's mean do not go for the buy. When it will come peak low, so it give you the buy signal, and this is your time to buy your BTC, and you will get the profit here. Okay, when you get any signal, you have to execute your trade. The second thing is here, you can see there are some signal with the cross, and let me show results in 1 hour time frame. Then I will go to bank nifty, and then I will move to Nasdaq. Okay, in the BTC 1 hour time frame, it's give you awesome results. Okay, awesome. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame, and you did not get the signal. Okay, if you got the signal, it give you the perfect result, but this buy signals give you awesome results. Okay, in the 1 minute time frame, let's see. In the 1 minute time frame, you are not getting any signal. You got the buy signal, perfectly buy trade, the buy signal and perfectly buy trades. Okay, and let's move to the bank nifty. Bank nifty, then I will move to the some indices and stock. In the bank nifty, it's give you awesome results. In the awesome, you can see the accuracy, the buy signal, and you need to book your profit here. The sell signal, you can book your profit here. The buy signal, book your profit. Sell signal, book your profits. Buy signal. Okay, well, you will also get the cross signal here. Like here, these are perfectly buy trades and sell trades, but let me show you, there are some cross signal. That means do not go for the sell trade, go for the buy trade, book your profit. Okay, but this one is your loss trade actually. That's okay. In the 1 minute time frame, you can use further 5 minute time frame. You will not get false signals here. You can see you will not get any false signal here. But in 1 minute time frame, I hope you will understand is like market is going upside, so this is giving you the signal with the cross. That's mean do not go for the sell trade, and you have need to go for the sell trade when you got only sell signal. Okay, like I have need to go to 1 hour time frame. Okay, you are getting cross signal, you can see it's come on time, it will not come delay signal. Okay, it will come on time and on the same candle. So that is the purpose that I have need to show you that is the signal will not come delay. And if you are question that the cross signals come late, it will not come late. Okay, signal will come on time, and I am trying to explain the strategy in English because my audience are mostly from UK, Australia, Canada, India, and UK, China, so they will not understand the Hindi. So that's why I'm trying to explain the strategy in English. Hopefully you will understand. Hopefully, let's move to the Nasdaq. Nasdaq 100 that's okay. Okay, you got the buy signal here and good, awesome result, awesome. This is your most recent buy trade, and you can see you got awesome results here. You when you got the signal 18,588, and the market is now 840. You can say 6 700 or 250. $250 movement is actually a very good one. Okay, it's very not a bad one. Okay, this one perfectly buy signal and sell signal, you can see. Okay, let's move to the 5-minute time frame and need to show you. Okay, here you can see you got the buy signal, so you can see the signal will not come delay. Okay, you got one signal, you got second signal, and both signal will give you the awesome results here. When you got any buy signal, you have need to book your profit. Okay, okay, let's move further pairs. Like I have need to show you results in like forex. I will show you the results in forex, then I will move to the crypto. Okay, you can see there are some sex signals. So how you can get the perfect signals? The question is how you can get the perfect signal, because here you will find some low signal like buy signal. Okay, buy signal and it's give you some awesome loss. So how you can get perfect buy trade and sell trade in forex market? For this one, you have need to add one more indicator, and one more important thing, if you want to buy my script, you have need to contact me on my WhatsApp number, Telegram. This is at the rate simple hoga 1, and this is simple hoga at the rate gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. This is Telegram. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember one at the end. Okay, because there are some fake Telegram groups, so do not join any Telegram fake Telegram channel or fake Telegram groups in some platform, so never join. Okay, otherwise you will lose your money. My indicators are paid just in few dollars. You can get my all secret, just I like show you. These are my all secret, and you will get my all secret. The people who are buying my indicator are getting my all secret. Okay. And if you are interested to buy my MT4, it's give you awesome. Believe me, this is awesome result. When this one is red, you have to go for the sell trade. You can book your profit here. The buy trade, it's 100%. It's not 100%. You can say it's a 200% non-repented signal. 200%. Okay, like you got the buy signal 1 second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. You got 6 trade here, and all the 6 trade are profitable. Okay, you can see this is the 7th one profitable, 8th one profitable. Sorry, this one by one, 7th one, 8th one, and 9th one, 10th one, 11. This is on the 12. This is 13 trades, and all the 13 trades are profitable. ठीक है, 13 14 15 16 trade and all profitable. 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. Okay, 30 or 31. Out of 31 trades, you got hardly one trade in loss. Hardly. Okay, that's mean the accuracy of this my MT4 system is more than 95%. Okay, I put a lot of effort to make this MT4 just because of repainting issue. So in this system you will never find any repainting issue. any repainting issue, and you will get awesome results all the time. And this is guaranteeable MT4 system. Okay, and now my MT4 is not very, you can say, in lot of dollars. You can get in few dollars my MT4 system. Okay. So let's move to the one more indicator. I have need to add this indicator. Control A, Control C, then go to your Pine editor, click on Pine editor. You have need to paste your code, Control A, Control V, and then click here. You will find the option add to chart. Okay, after clicking on add to chart, the indicator will be look like this one. Okay, it's give you the awesome results. Here you can get a lot of pips of all the time, but I have need to show you the setting. Here you have to put 33, and here you have to put 73 or 74, and that's it. How now the you will get awesome results. So the conditions are clear. This is adopt trend line, adopt trend line. Okay, listen me the rules. Oh, listen, oh, carefully listen the rules. Just like I told you, I am weak in English. So when this adopt trend line is upside from the upper band line, that means this is your sell area. You have need to go for the sell trade, and you have need to book your profit. Like here is showing that the market, this adopted line is come below from the lower band line, and you getting the buy signal. So this is your perfectly buy trade. And when the candles are going outside from the adopt trend line, this is your exit trade. Okay, here you have need to exit your trade. Here let me show you some example more. Here you can see the adopt trend line is below from the lower band line, and you're getting buy signal. So this is your perfectly buy trade, and you will get your profit again buy trade, and you will get your profit. So this adopt trend line is now inside, so you do not need to go. Like here adopt trend line is upside, you can go for the sell trade, you can go for the sell trade, and you will get the profit awesome. Okay, you will definitely will get awesome profit. Okay, now let me show results in some other pairs like Euro USD, USD GP. Just you have need to follow this one. Like when its adopted line is upside from the upper band line, you got the buy sell signal. You have need to go for the sell trade, and you have need to book your profit here. Like here you can go for the buy trade, book your profit here. This is your perfectly sell trade. You can book your profit here, and this is your perfectly buy trade. Okay, now here you do not get. If you want, you can collect some pips. Okay, you can collect some pips whenever the market is come inside the adopt trend line. You can see the market is going downside. When the adopt trend market is come inside, you can see market going upside. Okay, whenever it's going upside, market goes in, market goes down. When the candles come inside, market goes upside. It's a tutti frutti English. Hopefully you will understand. Okay, and that's it. I think any question, any query you can ask me. Just like I told, show you the my contact details. If you need, you can contact me. If you need my MT4 system, you can also contact me on my Telegram. This is at the rate simple hoga, one right, one at the end. Must, because there are some fake Telegram channels, so you do not have need to join them. Simple hoga at gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any question, any query, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.